Hey y'all, welcome to another video. Let's get into it, baby. Hey y'all, welcome to another video. Oh, what's good? Cheers. Now, it's been 3 months since my last wig review. I think this is the package from Amazon. And that's what I need to do. Is this it? Yes. Okay. I might do a damn voiceover because this is not about to be no long ass video, and I'm glad they sent me a cap. Boom. Y'all know I like opening shit with y'all. That bag. We're healing this together, baby. This is from the brand M-Box. Oh, okay. They sent me a cool mesh weaving cap. Yes, easily to apply. Size control makes one. Size fits most hair, style, and size. Okay. Little weaving cap. I'm not weaving knives out. We're going to put these on top of these little wannabe cornrows I just did. Okay, it comes with the net on there. I need to put it right back in here when I'm done, because I got a hairstyle to do. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, she pretty. Oh, yeah. Okay. And then take that paper out of it. That thing. Let's look at the construction of the cap now. Okay, you got two combs in the front. Okay. Adjustable straps. Okay. That one right there. Okay. Ooh, look at the parting space. All right. Not that bang gang. Yes, the bang gang. Okay, so I'll be right back because I'm about to put this net on and this wig, and I'll be right back. Not about to be a long video. All right, y'all, I'm back. Good thing I didn't put it on camera. I'm not liking the ends too much, but I'm gonna play with it. You know what I'm saying? But shit, you can't go wrong with this wig. That's what I'm telling you right now. You can't go wrong with this. Now, not that bang gang. Let me see. Let me swoop that shit to the side, baby. Okay, look. The braids is underneath there with the cap. I just like the, you know what I'm saying? Now, will I swoop that shit on right there? Hold up. Some more gel on the baby hairs. No, just kidding. I ain't got no baby hairs. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, because I ain't looking like the thing on the stock card, or you know what I'm saying. That piece supposed to be over there somewhere, I think. Anyways, we gonna play with this. Is there shedding? Yeah, a little bit, a little bit. Get you one of these little brushes or whatever they call. I ain't no beautician, so this worked for me. I'll just put a little bit of foundation or some concealer right there, something. Okay, let's see what other way we could rock this. And it got the ear tabs, baby. This is big head friendly. I'm just not too big on those ends. Okay, let's see. Fuck, this bang's supposed to go. Shit. Child, I can't be doing all that hair in the face like that. I put the combs in there already. Whew, child. Man, I ain't trying to be blind. The fuck? Nah, I'd rather swoop that shit to the side. The beach. I'm gonna end up blind up in this motherfucker trying to. Okay, y'all, just play with the wig here. It's a cheap wig. Okay, let me go like this. Let me stop playing around. Ooh, child. Hey, I don't want to mess up my braids out of beach. Cause that bang is too long. So let me push this wig all the way back here then. Shit. Okay, there go the two combs. I can't do the hair. It stabbed me in my fucking eyes. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh, that's better. Okay. that bang, that bang. B say lit. Ew. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, this is perfect now. I just had to pull that shit back. Yes. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Mbox. Yeah. So the name of the company is Mbox on Amazon. You hear me? I'm not liking the damn ends like that. Like, bitch, throw that shit back. Okay. Let me turn around and shit. Ooh. Child, y'all gotta tell me what y'all be doing with these bangs, cause I might take some scissors to it, and I'm not trying to take no scissors. I just want to throw a wig on, brush it, and go. You hear me? Like, the fuck that piece go? Okay, I need to show y'all the length. Okay. Okay, I'm 5'4". It reaches right there, so it's past the shoulders a little bit. It's supposed to be a bob. Okay, look, girl, if a wind blow, they gonna be like, "Oh, she bought it in the beach." I'm not. Should braid it up though. Okay, y'all. This gonna be the end of this wig review. I'm gonna put some lip gloss on, and that's it. Cause I actually have a hairstyle to do. Yeah, it's shedding. That's a tad bit. I ain't cutting nothing. But like I said, you want a protective hairstyle? Plait up your hair, whatnot underneath, grease your scalp, put on a little stocking cap or a little net, throw that wig on. You know what I'm sharing? I don't like how you can peekaboo through that motherfucker like that. Peekaboo. The only thing really, I wish the bangs were fuller. Like I said, it's cool. It's worth the price. Period, poo. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Mm. So y'all, if y'all enjoyed this video, give this a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.